Robbins is on the verge of some huge changes, and I'm here to spill the tea. From new coffee spots and chicken joints to an absolutely new game-changing retail project, our city is leveling up in a way you won't believe. Stick around till the end of this video because you're probably going to be as excited as I am, and you want to share this with your friends and family. All right, let's talk about it. We all know Warner Robins is growing like crazy, and not just with the same old stuff. We're talking about some exciting restaurants, some cool businesses, as well as some new big developments that will change the vibe of our city. But let's get to the cool stuff. First up, if you are a foodie, you are going to love what's coming. And here is what is currently under construction in Warner Robins. Small Slider is currently under construction, and as the name suggests, they serve sliders. They do also serve waffle fries and milkshakes out of a trendy shipping container. Also currently under construction is Guthrie's famous chicken tenders. And to be honest, you cannot have enough chicken in your life, even though we do have a bunch of great chicken tender places out there in Warner Robins already. And for all the coffee lovers out there, we got something currently under construction here in the Warner Robins area, which is Red Owl Coffee, as well as Dutch Bros Coffee, which should be coming soon to the area. They already started building. Which one of the four that are currently under construction are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. I'm torn between the Dutch Bros and Small Sliders because I haven't had neither of them as of yet, but I'm definitely gonna go and try them out. Now let's talk about shopping and big business moves. And the first one on the list, I know that you are not as excited the same way as I'm not excited. Valvoline on Watson Boulevard. We don't need another oil changing place, tire place, car wash, or storage unit. We do have enough, Warner Robins. Whoever is out there thinking about developments, we do have enough of those. People are fed up with car washes, oil changing places, storage units, all that stuff. We have enough. Please try to develop a little bit more that makes sense. I know that brings money to you, that brings some jobs. Enough is enough, but nevertheless, there is a Valvoline coming to Watson Boulevard. Another big development coming is a hotel. Residence Inn by Marriott on South Houston Lake Road. We already do have a bunch of hotels, but some of them in some times of the year are getting booked out like crazy. Most of the developments that are coming to Warner Robins are on Watson Boulevard. We need something more up on 96. If anyone from the city is watching this, get some more development up to 96. We need some more stuff that makes sense. And lastly, there is a big retail development that they call the game changer for Warner Robins, but they keep it pretty secret. So we don't know yet. Is it the inner city circle out on Commercial Circle, or is it something else? I'll keep you posted as more as I know about that. Maybe you can let me know in the comments what you think it is. Another retail development would be great, especially if it is walkable and we finally get something like an inner city. And it doesn't stop there. Here is what is planned to be coming to Warner Robins, and I just was complaining about not having as much on 96, but here are two things that we know are coming to 96. Dutch Bros Mexican Fresh Grill, as well as an Temni Japanese eatery. I am a lover for Japanese food. When it comes to the Mexican grill, we have a lot of Mexican restaurants here in Warner Robins, so I hope it can compete with all the good ones that we already have. But I am super excited about the Japanese eatery. What are you excited about? Let me know in the comments below. We also have something coming for families to Warner Robins, which is the Creative Café. It's a DIY arts and crafts studio where you can paint, you can create wood arts, and much more. It's pretty much Pinterest in real life. For our youngins, we have Kids Strong opening up a gym that helps develop mental strength, physical strength, as well as emotional strength, which is super excited. Something else to do for the kiddos. And lastly, how can I forget, because it brings jobs to the community, KIHOMAC, and I probably slaughtered it, but it's an aerospace manufacturing facility coming to Warner Robins in 2020. 2025, bring in a bunch of jobs, helping the economy grow even further. So what are you most excited about out there? Is it the new restaurants, coffee shops, or the secret retail project of Warner Robins, or maybe something for the kids? Drop a comment below what you are excited about and maybe what you would like to see coming to Warner Robins. So this is a wrap for today's video, but don't go anywhere because there's so much more to discover going on in Warner Robins, and I bring you all of that here on my YouTube channel. So if you want to know more about Warner Robins and what's going on, make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure to watch some of the other videos suggested for you over here. Make sure to share this video with your friends and family to let them know what's going on in Warner Robins and what's coming. I hope I see you on the next one.